Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the three type of the entry backtesting RSI. So it's about see if the result of three type of the entry is somehow have some difference. So I will use the stop loss 1.5 multiply the ATR 14 periods, same for to take profit, and we will see a robot to see the back testing. First we going to start and back testing the first type of the entry. There's a buy because it's close from the 30 level. It's a simple EA to just check the there was a sell because it's close to the 70 level and so on. The purpose of the video is check we can have a nice result about different type of the use of the RSI. So we skip the process and see the result directly, and report we have RSI 1. That was early. Oh, here is the result. So it's the profit rate is 47.8. Let's take a note. Not so good, not so good, not so good. It's below the 50%. It means it's quite neutral and even worse than the neutral. Let's see the second type of the use of RSI. Basically, when we close the 70 level, we buy, and when we close the 30 level, we sell. So let's start. And so RSI. Let's see some order activated. There was a sale, take profit instantly. Oops, there's a buy. See, that's quite nice result. This was a sale. No. Well, we skip the process. And let's see the report. Quite nice. 72.17%. better than the first type. Nice. And the third type of the use of RSI people use when close 50 level, we buy, and if we close to the high, we buy. If we close low of the 50 level, we sell. And that backtest this also. We see. Whoa. There was a buy because it's close to 50 level. We change the color for better view. Nice. It's a loss. Stick profit. It's a win. It's a loss. Well, we skip that. Also, just see the report. And let's see the report of not so somehow better than the first type of the use. So basically we have the result that the second type of use is better. Yeah, that's it. It means there's a RSI, right? When we close here, we sell, and when we close to the upside, we buy. And that's it. Thank you everyone, and leave a comment if you want to backtest something and have some idea, and I will do it. And for the moment, see you next time.